Are you looking for a really spacious condo with a 2-car garage in the heart of Estero? You are in luck. Check out our new listing at Meadows of Estero. Welcome to 21536 Taft Court, Unit 202, right here in sunny Estero, Florida. One of the amazing things about this is whoever buys this unit is going to get a newly painted with brand new roofs on it at no expense to the homeowners. There was no assessment for this project, and stunning colors and updates are ahead. One of everyone's favorite features about these units in Meadows of Estero is the 2-car garage. But not only do you get a 2-car garage, check this out. We always say in Florida, it's a 2-car Florida garage, and what that means is there's not enough extra room on the side, but that's no problem here, because check out how they did this with an extra pad here. I mean, your shutters, your refrigerator, your garbage cans, no more opening your doors into all that stuff, and you still have room for some storage on the side. Absolutely one of the fantastic features of this condo. So I am standing here in the entryway to this condo. Right in front of me is your garage entrance. Right beside me is your entrance from your front door. You see you have a nice little landing area, and you even have a coat closet and a spot there. You know I love my closets, but just wait, I have something really exciting for you, a surprise coming up. Surprise! Those stairs are no problem in this unit because it comes with your very own elevator. Getting groceries up to the 2nd floor? No problem. Bringing your luggage up to the 2nd floor? No problem. Awesome feature in this unit. Not all of them have it, so it is a huge bonus, because what you'll see when you look at them for sale, most of them, in fact, don't have the elevator, but this one does. As you enter into this spacious and very neutral and pretty condo, you have a dedicated dining room, lots of room here to do as you wish. And I just want to point out the lovely tray ceiling with the extra large crown molding. Awesome upgrade and feature to this home. Open floor plan living with this kitchen and family, how they open up to each other with an amazing water view off the lanai. The same upgraded trim work is throughout this entire area. You have an upgraded chef's kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, and I definitely want to point out, because this is another upgrade to this unit, all of this additional countertop and cabinet space was added on and is an upgrade. It is not in every unit. Triple sliding glass door that opens up, bringing the outside in, and check out the size of this covered lanai. Really spacious seating area, even have a lounger out there. But the star of this show is this awesome lake view. And don't want to forget, it does have hurricane shutters there, so really easy for you to just slide those down. They are automatic, and tighten everything up if you're not here or if a storm is on its way. Let me share a little bit about the awesome location of Meadows of Estero in this unit. There is a retail center right outside the gates, going right along with the friendly pet policy of this unit. There's a pet bakery and daycare and grooming center. There's a Jimmy John's. There's an ABC liquor store. Not that I've ever visited there. All kinds of stuff, but even more incredible, 5 minutes to Coconut Point Mall. If you know anything about Southwest Florida, you know it is one of our hot spots. Tons of dining, Tommy Bahama, live music, pet-friendly outdoor mall. It's incredible. We're also only about 10 to 15 minutes to the international airport. Super convenient, one of the top growing airports in the country. And if you've ever flown in and out of there, you know why. You have seen the amazing kitchen and living areas offered by this condo. Now let's take a look at the bedroom and bathroom spaces. Follow me. They have everything really separated, so your bedrooms are separated on one side, living areas on the other. Awesome for giving you and your guests privacy. Come on in. There is a half bath here, so you don't have to go into your primary or your secondary. You have the half bath all ready for you. And check out this primary bedroom. Holy cow. Tray ceiling with the same trim work carried throughout. But look at the size. So this unit does not have a den, but you basically have a den in your primary. So you can set this up however you like, a workspace, seating area. Can you imagine yourself sitting here having a glass of wine, reading a book? It's incredible. And I want to point out the amazing view you've got from your primary with the water and the lake behind you, as well as having access out to the lanai. If you think this bedroom is big, wait until you see the ensuite bathroom. Huge. You have double door entry. I mean, you just wait till you see this. Got dual sinks. I mean, you know, I could set up a tent and I could sleep in here. Huge soaker tub. Of course, you have your dedicated water closet, a lovely tiled walk-in shower that is a really nice size. And I love this. This is something we don't see in most units, but you have a dedicated vanity area. This is the primary closet. I mean, so much space in here. Gives you tons of options. One of the largest primary closets that I've seen in a condo. And what's awesome, you have a closet within a closet. Here is your linen closet to go with that primary ensuite bathroom, which is already giant. Huge bonus. And I don't want to forget to show you, because this is not something we see every day as well, a dedicated vanity area with extra storage. I mean, it's like 2 bathrooms in one. Dedicated in-unit laundry right here. Also includes a sink and extra storage. You know you can't have enough storage here. And did I say storage? That's right. Another full closet right here in the hallway. And we've got bedroom number 2 here, really nicely sized. You can see here, it's actually not a king. This is 2 twin beds set up together to make a king, and your normal bedroom closet for here in Florida. Another surprise. Cute little terrace with these double doors that let in so much light to bedroom number 3, which does have entry directly into the extra bathroom, but another darling bedroom with the closet. This is bedroom number 3. Second full bathroom, we have a walk-in shower, of course your toilet area with some extra storage, which is fantastic. It does offer dual sinks, tons of cabinet space. You even have your little medicine cabinet here and a dedicated linen closet for bathroom 2. Again, this unit is 2.5 baths total. This incredible condo is being sold turnkey. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, please reach out to us at 239-776-6872. We would love to share it in the amazing community with you. If you have any questions about anywhere in Southwest Florida, North Carolina, or frankly anywhere in the country about real estate, we would love to help. We are here to help you live joy.